Our Lady is our mother and guide.
And this Konkani hymn expresses her various attributes and qualities.
Konkani is a language mainly spoken in Goa.
And in parts of Maharashtra and Karnataka.
Through this hymn, we would like to express our love towards Mother Mary. Though we have different accents,
Let us devoutly be part of this hymn. Kalke Ratitli.
Falha muito, Mariu dedai, aquele que surya muito, Rani pozorgai, tu favorito, tuż gunaco, tom simplaikai, Tużcia pamięci, podmorzajaco, sobie pałojtaj. Tuli babaci, a woj putaci, putina gniaci, akwarmajanci, babkia musiaci, sumia Jezusi, Twoja sierati, ulica skali, amci sai bintu, długo stanati, mogaladari, amci ranitu, Tela bagintle, vichitrongace, Sundor somoltu, Sonia rajate, Bridre aurore, Mutlong heredu, Sonia shetate, Vorba hondove, Con el polmoli, Ciclatoleate, Nimolub zole, Como el gozovi,